Gentlemen, what are you working on right now?
Our project.
What is it? Tell us a little about it. Tell the
It's a
YouTube
restaurant.
audience about your project.
It's a restaurant project.
You're creating a restaurant. What kind of restaurant?
Mexican restaurant.
What's it called?
Casa Lucio.
Say it again.
Casa Lucio.
Cool. And what do we have up here right now? What are you working on right now? Slides for...
The project.
Be a little bit
The
more
playlist.
specific. And I believe you all have been working on a video, yeah?
Yes.
Let's show a little of that. Your video, gentlemen, how did you start the whole process? You had to start with what?
The beats.
Started with the beats, and who was responsible for creating the beats?
Danny and me.
Nice, and you did that on GarageBand, right?
Yes.
Nice, and then after you made the beats, Danny, I think you kind of took it to the next phase, the video phase?
Yes.
Yeah, and then you and I worked together on that. You helped to pick a bunch of different images you wanted, then we put it together in iMovie, and now you have an amazing commercial for your restaurant. Great job, gentlemen. And Alex, I believe you were the one who came up with the theme for the restaurant? What gave you the inspiration for that?
I'm Mexican.
Okay, good restaurant are you two creating?
We're doing a Peruvian and Honduras restaurant.
And what's the name?
Peruas.
Nice. And what are you all working on now? What part of the restaurant development?
Well, I'm doing the math, and Nathan's doing for the good cause.
Oh, what have you figured out which cause you're gonna donate to?
We're doing for the sick and homeless people in Peru.
Gotta love it. Cool. What's the name of your restaurant?
We haven't figured it out yet.
Okay. Do you know what kind of food?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're doing like a fantasy/gourmet restaurant.
Wow, that sounds cool. Fantasy, gourmet.
Yeah.
That sounds good. All right, what phase are you working on now?
We're doing the areas and trying to get like a lot of information, and we're just searching up like VIP sections and all that stuff.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, I can't wait to see more. It's another one of their groups. And ladies, what's the name of your restaurant?
It's Delicate Palace.
Delicate.
Palace.
Nice. And what kind of food?
We're basically gonna have like these like
Modern or
seafood,
fancy,
like for example, some lobster. These are just some snapshots, like lobsters, some small sandwiches, and
Nice.
kebabs and stuff like that.
And what phase are you in right now on the project? You're what, creating the menu? Is it
We're trying to create our little Instagram thingy,
nice?
our Instagram thing. So
Very cool.
I'm here just trying to make an ice cream cone here.
Oh, do you have a name for the ice cream cone?
No, we're
Modern
still
ice
currently
cream.
making it.
All right, can't wait to see your logo. Who developed the logo?
Me.
It's called Delicate Palace.
Yes.
Here's another video for another restaurant.
We're still figuring out the Or you did the amount. Wait, what restaurant?
And what's the name of that restaurant, gentlemen?
La Vida Mexicano.
Very good, very good. What's give us an example of some of the things that are going to be on the menu.
We're gonna have what's it called? We're gonna have tamales. We're also gonna have a drink called horchata,
Uh-huh.
and
Nice.
we're gonna have some desserts.
Okay.
That is.
Are you working on the menu right now?
Yeah, we're working on it.
Nice. Good job, gentlemen. Keep it up. And Stanley, great. I won't put you on camera, but great video.